Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS. We're at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service and parts, and really a nice floor plan. And we'll get inside in a moment. I want to show you the pass-through storage. Plenty of storage here. And then we have the outdoor kitchen, which hopefully I can get this open. Here we go. Refrigerator, and then a 2-burner flat top. I do love these handles. You know, I can't show you another one, but a lot of times they're just kind of like a D-ring or a D-loop out. But this fully extends. If you've got an armful of groceries or something more enjoyable than that, you could have a tumble. We'll get inside. So it is a bunkhouse, and we'll show you all the bunkhouse goodness here in a moment. I want to show you the kitchen, dining area, gathering area, nice flat screen TV, fireplace, center island, 3-burner cooktop, nice refrigerator and freezer, and then check out this pantry. If you're into pantries, if that's one of the items that you're looking for, this is a really nice one. So double door, plenty of shelving. We have this area above. You could put a lot up in there. Crock pot, that kind of stuff. We'll go ahead and button that up. I just want to swing around and show you again. So we have storage under the bench for the table. Nice island, center island. Pendant lighting. Theater seating. Fold out couch. And then when we swing around, we'll look at the bunk up there. Then we have the bunk house here. Very nice. Windows, 3 windows for cross ventilation. Your TV backer board, all of your controls, USB, USB-C, hang-up clothes. Nice big drawers, 2 big drawers, your fuse box down there. Very, very nice. Couple of steps up, we have the ladder that goes up to the top bunkhouse, and you got storage with nets there. Man, if you're a little kid, heck, even if you're a young person, you could get up there and just close the blind on that window and start cutting the wood, sawing the logs. Nice bathroom. We have, I'll even show you, I'll hit my light, but look how deep that is. And then the cabinet the same way, and then additional storage here. Very nice wide shower, and I really like the glass doors. Medicine cabinet, sink. We've got a bank of 3 drawers and a door cabinet underneath. Recessed lighting, so give you additional headroom. Your exhaust, and then you can also see the ducted HVAC. We'll back up and we'll take a dive into the bedroom. And we have very nice amount of storage underneath the bed. We have nice closet here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the light. It does have a light there. I just haven't turned it on. And then we have the cabinet here for hang-up clothes or stackable washer and dryer. And it is pre-wired, pre-plumbed for your washing machine, and pre-wired for your dryer. Very nice. Again, Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. And there's a link below for their website. New, used, service, parts. Just a very nice fifth wheel. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, question below, and we'll catch you on the next video.